Yung beef naman is hindi siya matigas, tender and juicy siya. Hindi siya kagaya ng iba na yung beef na nilalagay is quite siya, hard to chew. Eto, madali lang ma-chew. Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of my vlog! So for today's video, magre-review tayo ng food from Barcode, Resto and Grill. So it's a very well-known food resto here in Zamboanga City and madami silang menu. So ang napili ko is the famous tausug na food wherein the beef kulma and of course ang isa is ang Sotanghon Guisado. So, I hope you will enjoy this sumptuous video of mine for today. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel para updated kayo sa daily uploads ko. I hope you will enjoy this video. Let's start with their packaging. So, if you will be ordering from them, so you can contact them through their FB page. So, ipopost ka dito. Yan. So, they are only one chat away, one call away, or one text message away, and may flexi payment sila. So you can pay them through bank transfer or GCash or cash on delivery kung gusto nyo. And after a while, bibigyan nila kayo ng instruction. After 1 hour, dadating ang order, yung mga ganong factor. So, sa akin nag-order ako around 4, dumating siya mga around 5 plus PM. So, not bad naman. And then, yung presentation ng packaging nila is ganito. So, naka-paper styro sila. Paper styro. And then, each food is nakabalot sa plastic. So, yan. Ito yung pancit guisado. So, yan. Yan, nakabalot sa plastic yan. So, you just have to transfer it sa plates nyo para kakain na, diba? So, yung beef kulma, ganun din. So, yun yung the way they pack the food para i-deliver sa inyo. First thing is their beef kulma. So this is a tausug recipe wherein of course it is made up of beef naman. Beef, tapos usually nilalagyan ng butter and maraming chili and other spices. May din siya, gata. And of course, yellow siya, may turmeric powder, minimix nila. Or curry. So yan. So usually, you can order it. Actually, marami dito sa Zamboanga City na mga resto na nag-o-offer ng food like this or nagpe-prepare ng beef kulma. But, na-choose ko kasi si Barcode kasi siya yung nag-respond una. So, let's try their beef kulma. Ang sarap. So, yan. Hanap tayo. Yan. So, malalasahan mo yung coconut, yung gata ng coconut. Curry, at yung anghang factor, at saka butter. Yung beef naman is hindi siya matigas, tender and juicy siya. Hindi siya kagaya ng iba na yung beef na nilalagay is quite siya, hard to chew. Eto, madali lang mag-chew. Promise. So, meron, etong sauce niya kasi hindi masyadong sticky. Meron kasi ibang beef kulma na sticky yung sauce. So, depende sa paggawa. Pero yung taste from 1 to 5, 5 highest, 1 lowest, para ko bigyan ng 4.5. Bakit hindi siya perfect? Kasi of course, lahat naman tayo, lahat ng cuisine, walang perfect na lutuan. There's always a room for improvement. Pero sa, totoo lang po, sa taste, approve po siya. Ang tender ng ang tender ng beef niya at saka yung anghang factor andun. Usually, depende kasi sa inyo. You can request kung maanghang ba talaga ang beef kulma na pag-prepare or hindi. So, you can request naman sa kanila. And of course, yung aroma ng mga na-infused na mga spices, you can really smell it. And of course, pag yung kakainin mo na, may parang distinct siya na taste. Walang amoy na baka, pero yung mga infusion ng spices, meron siyang aftertaste na masarap. Yung sarap. You know guys, this is my first time to order sa resto nila ng beef kulma and they never disappoint me. Masarap siya na yung anghang tamang-tama lang kasi I don't like din kasi yung sobrang anghang kasi feeling ko hindi ako makakakain ng very well. So, yung for the anghang factor and for the flavor of the food and the beef, it's a fruit for me. Very nice. So, if you want to order guys, so you can order dito sa FB page nila. You can contact them and they're just one text, one call away. And of course, nagdi-deliver sila within the city proper. So, depende kung saan kayo. May delivery fee, of course. And para hindi nyo na kayo maabala pa, you can ask them to deliver at your comfort home. Diba? So, yun yung advantage pag may delivery ang isang resto. Diba? Taran! So, this is the Sotanghon Guisado. If nakikita nyo guys, so, madami siyang laman. Madami siyang chicken. And, nga pala, they don't serve pork meat. So, lahat seafoods and veggies lang sila and beef and chicken. Walang pork. So, yun. For our Muslim brothers and sisters, so you will have confidence to order sa barcode kasi hindi sila nagsiserve ng pork meat. So, for the Sotanghon Guisado, yan. For sure, masarap to guys. Yan. This is glass noodles. Charot. Glass noodles. Ang sarap. And this is only 138 pesos. Good for 2 to 3 person na ang serving. So, you can still order through their FB page. Hindi siya maalat, hindi siya matabang. Tamang-tama lang yung timpla nila. Kasi meron kasing ibang resto na nagsiserve ng Sotanghon Guisado na yung maalat. I know this is not the best Sotanghon Guisado, pero masarap siya guys, in fairness. So for those office person or kung gusto nyong umorder lang, nasa bahay lang kayo kasi since ayaw nyo lumabas kasi because of the COVID cases. So you can just check their FB page and order. Message them. Hindi kayo magsisi guys kasi ang sarap, promise. This is masarap. Paired with soft drinks or sandwich bread, yun, masarap na. Pwede itong pang merienda or ulam na talaga pang lunch and dinner or merienda tapos nanonood kayo ng Netflix at YouTube. For those of you who really love Sotanghon Guisado, comment down below. And beef kulma as well. Yung beef kulma kasi is usually you can just find sa Zamboanga City yung mga beef kulma sa resto kasi it's a tausug recipe. Pag sila yung gumawa kasi sobrang hanghang at saka madaming butter at saka masarap. So na-adapt ng mga resto dito, so meron silang mga version ng beef kulma nila. Sa other places like Ipo, sa mga Sibugay, wala masyadong mga beef kulma. For those lang na may alam din na resto na mga chef nila marunong magluto ng beef kulma, yun meron. Pero usually, you can find it in Zamboanga City. Ito namang mga Sotanghon Guisado, of course, kahit sa restaurant, meron to. Pero yung sarap kasi depende sa chef nila or sa pagluto, di ba? For those of you na nag-subscribe sa akin, maraming salamat. I hope hindi kayo mawawala. And for those who are not yet subscribed in my channel, please do subscribe in my channel. Click the subscribe button and notification bell para always naman kayong updated sa everyday upload ko, di ba? Yung vlog ko yung mga vlog ko recently is all about food. So, masarap. And also, meron pala silang yung La Comida wherein may combo meal sila na may food na may ulam at saka rice and then good for 99 only ata. So, you can browse their FB page, barcode, resto and grill Zamboanga. Kasi within town, pag nasa town ka lang, free delivery na sila. Wala silang charge. Ang sarap ng beef kulma at Sotanghon Guisado nila. Approve.
Few moments later.
So, ayan ang food review natin. Tapos na akong kumain ng beef kulma at Sotanghon Guisado. So for beef kulma, if i-rate ko yung food nila from 1 to 5, so that's 4.5. As well as yung Sotanghon Guisado, it's all 4.5. Kasi there is always an avenue of improvement pa naman. Pero guys, promise, masarap siya. It will really satisfy your craving. If you are craving for beef kulma, especially those who are from Zamboanga City, you can merely check their FB page and order. They're just one text away. This is not a paid video. I just want to give an honest review on their food. So, ang napili ko kasi is the beef kulma and the Sotanghon Guisado nila. For their customer service naman po, when you chat them, responsive naman po. And kung may mga order na changes of order, they are really appreciative sa mga messages ng customer. As well as yung delivery naman po, it's on time. So, ini-inform nila kayo kung paalis na si rider sa resto nila at tumatawag talaga si rider if nasa vicinity proper na kung saan magdi-deliver. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and I hope naglalaway kayo sa food review ko for today. And please don't forget to subscribe on my channel para updated kayo always sa mga daily uploads ko. Maraming salamat at saka see you on my next vlog. Bye!